it's a really big, Papa. It's a big one. Look at that, Papa. It's a big one. Wow. Papa, look. It's a big one. Let's go find another one.
YouTuber ka na, be?
No.
You want to be a YouTuber?
Papa, wag pa rin yung ano.
Let me see. All your sea creatures. Wow, that's a lot. How many crabs do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4. Baby, it's open.
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Say-
5, 6, 7.
You do it like this, Clay. Clay. Approve. Clay. Good job. Good job. Oh, go na kay Mama. Go there kay Mama. You look for another fish and starfish and seashells. You want to ride the boat? Do you have money? Do you have money? No, okay. Oh, ayan na yung waves, be. Oh. Oh, don't touch it.
Baby, what purchasing, Pop?
Yung baby latlat. Wala dito si baby latlat. How about Kuya Lucas and baby Cody? You don't want to share it? Let me see, let me see. Wow. I think they're sleeping na. Oh, go to Mama. Go dire kay Mama. Sorry.
Papa! Big one! Wow! Pick it back! Wow, it's a big one.
Masakay ka dun, Clay, oh.
Right? One more.
Let me see. Oh. Saan? Ano ang mga baruto eh? Ligtan? Ito ko to, Abyo. Ito ko to. Ha? Weh.
Oh, gani. Let's go back na.
You want to ride there in the boat?
Yeah, let's go ride on the boat. Okay. Oh, find the stockfish. This is stockfish. Yummy.
Sea animals. Do you recognize them? Each of them?
Oh, another
Each one of them? What are those?
Wow. Oh, crab, Clay. It's a crab. Papa, it's a crab. Oh no, it's dead.
Oh no.
It's dead. It's dead, Clay.
Butang ibalas? Ito ganong ano?
Bawal si Boot!
Boat na nga daw. Say bye-bye na to my YouTube.
Papa, look! This one. It's a big snail. Yeah.
Bye-bye na.
Is it a snake?
Say bye-bye na, Clay. You say bye-bye.